of all sound segments with the duration 0, 1 and range pressure is written 0, 1 pressure. Notice that square brackets are used for both the subset of the reals as in 0, 1 and for function space as in DER. Although the meanings of these two notations are obviously very different, the set image set considered in section function space. Image set equal to discrete vertical space into horizontal space towards following intensity. Video form times video frame times image set. Similarly, the set of all binary files length n is binary files indices binary, where indices 1, n. A system S is function mapping signal space into signal space S dr d inverse or inverse. Y of z equal to S of x into z, S of x into z, the element of R dash telecommunication system. Plain old telephone service ports, twisted pair, local loop, subscriber line, line card, switch. Here, a portion of the global telecommunication network. This one is the old one. Satellite dish. From here, public switch. From public switch to microwave, the global telecommunication network antenna. Then this is a micro tower, optical fiber, cable, public, then coaxial cable, T1 line, PBX, from PBX, fax, telephone, modem, computer, large business customer. This is a large business customer. Okay. Small business customer, DSL card, from here. All are going from here only. This public switch only. DSL card to twisted pair, then going to small business, DSL modem, then telephone, then computer. Here, this is also small business or home. Here also small business or home. This is also small business home. Here, ISDN card, line card, ISDN card, DSL card. Here, ISDN card, twisted pair, ISDN modem. Here DSL card, here DSL modem. Then telephone, this is a computer. Here, from this public switch, line card, twisted pair for home customer, voice band data modem, then computer. From this public switch, line card, twisted pair, home customer, telephone only. If computer using, can get voice data modem. So this is a portion of the global telecommunication network. Abstraction of plain old telephone service ports, plain old telephone service, line card, okay, here line card, voice linking telephone, here telephone, voice link signal. Modems bit sequence equal to indices binary. DTMF systems converts numbers from a keyboard into voice-like signal. So here keyboard 697 Hz, 770 Hz, 852 Hz, 941 Hz, 1000. This is in x-axis. Sorry, y-axis. This is x-axis. 1209 Hz, 1336 Hz, 1477 Hz. Numbers DTMF, voice-like signal. Waveform representing the zero key in DTMF system. Time in seconds. -2 in y-axis. -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 in x-axis. Time in seconds. G 0.001, 0.002 in one scale range up to 0.10. Waveform representing the zero key DTMF system. Okay, so voice band data modems, bit sequence, modulator, demodulator. In modulator, bit sequence going inside, from demodulator, bit sequence going out. It is connected, modulator connected to voice like signal to telephone network inside. From telephone network connected to voice like signal to demodulator. Modem, this is the modem. MO for demodulator, the TM. That's why modem plus demodulator is the modem. Modulator plus demodulator. Here also, from this modem, modulator output connected to telephone network. This telephone network connected to this modem. So voice band data modems. Digital subscriber line for DSL. Asymmetric DSL for ADSL. Modem, modulator, demodulator. Voice signal, encoder, bit sequence, encryption, bit sequence going to inside modulator. Then voice like signal, telephone network going out, voice signal, demodulator going to inside demodulator, bit sequence, decryption, then bit sequence, then decoder, voice signal. Signal degradation, noise, crosstalk, band limiting filter, audio storage, retrieval, recording studio, sounds going to bit streams, encoding, bit streams going to redundant bit streams, DVD, digital video disc, short DVD, digital audio tab, DAT, International Telecommunication Union, short form ITU, on up time, on off profiles, reels, on off. The interconnected components of a forced air heating system. Desired temperature X given to controller output on and off going to heater output heat going to room, then here outside temperature in this room Y, that one is Y, on and off here U, heat V. So room temperature Z, then given to feedback this Z to this sensor. Sensor output W sensed temperature given to this controller. The interconnected components of a forced air heating system. Heat is a real OBC. Heat profiles reals OBC. Heater on and off profiles heat profiles. Outside temperature reals minimum maximum. Room temperature reals minimum maximum. Outside temperature profiles real minimum maximum. Room temperature profiles reals minimum maximum. Room heat profiles into outside temperature profiles tends to, that is room temperature profiles. Sensor room temperature profiles, sensor temperature profiles. Sensor temperature profiles is real minimum maximum. Controller desired temperature profile into sensor temperature profile equal to R profile. Desired profiles reals, that is minimum maximum. Forced heat desired temperature profiles into outside temperature profiles equal to room temperature profiles. U controller of XW, heater U, Z room UV, W sensor. It's notations. With the atmospheric controller, the room temperature fluctuates around the desired temperature setting X power as. So time in x-axis. Sorry. X-axis. Time. Here W in y-axis. Here from to here off, from here to here on. Okay. Sorry. Sorry, not straight line. Okay. Up to here x-axis minus del 1 here. From here x asterisk x power asterisk x power asterisk del 2. Okay. W of t equal to sensor of ZT, U of t equal to controller of x, y, t, x of y into t, and if Wt minus x of t is less than equal to minus del t, del 1 of if omega t minus x of t is greater than or equal to del 2 for all t belongs to reals. X of t equal to x power asterisk. Signal. A signal is a function of representing a physical quantity or variable, and typically it constant information about the behavior or nature of the phenomenon. Usually t represents the signal is denoted by x of t. Continuous time and discrete time signals. Graphical representation of a continuous time and discrete time signals. This is the continuous time x of t. Here x of t is a continuous time signal. X of t is a continuous time signal. If t is continuous